Hello and welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little sound demo video and it's to accompany one of the listings that we have on our Etsy shop, and it's for this beautiful drum just here. Now this is an 18-inch horseskin drum, a Shamanic drum. It's on a mulberry wood frame. On the back here you can see it's laced with artificial sinew around this hoop, which has been trimmed with rabbit fur. Now this is rabbit fur from an upcycled fur coat. The cross handle here, the 4 directions, this is beechwood, and on each individual one here I've put one of the directions, north, east, south, west, and that's to bring that elemental energy into your playing, into the drum. So you can always orient yourself. On the inside of the frame I burned a little bit of information. I put my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. More importantly, I think, is the date of birth. Sorry, I'm just struggling to see down through there. Birthed on the 19th of May 2022 in Knighton, Powys in the UK. And that is to enable you to be able to formulate a birth chart, if that's your thing. Find out what the energies were like on the day when this drum was birthed. Now the website that I use to formulate my astrological charts is called astro.com. I've got no affiliations with that website at all. It just happens to be the one that I use personally, so I just recommend it to people to go along, and you can quite easily formulate a chart which will then highlight where all of the planets were, what houses they were in at the moment when this drum was birthed. So, all this being said, it's very beautiful, and there will be pictures and the full description in the on the Etsy listing, but this video is about the sound. So let's have a little play. So I'm just going to orientate to north. I'm going to play with 2 different beaters, a soft beater and a firmer beater. Either of these are available to purchase at the same time as a drum if you choose to, if this proves to be the right drum for you. I'm going to grab a beater and we'll have a little play. This is the softer beater. So if you were to order one of these, you would get one very similar design to this, not this exact one, but the same construction, most likely the same colour, but who knows? That might change as well. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, let's grab the other beater. So this is the firmer one. Same applies for this one. Let's have a play, see if you can hear the difference. Lovely. Okay, well, I hope this video has helped for you to be able to make a more informed decision. Buying online is always difficult. So, I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.